Alright, we're here at Santa Cruz, finally. KJ.
Yo.
여보세요.
안녕하세요. 저는 별입니다.
What in the world?
I just want to see though.
You can see now. I didn't bring
Which
my.
one's HD?
Yeah, this is HD.
When he looks up, it's HD.
Yeet.
Oh man.
Yeet. That's what it is. So who wants to go check out surfers with me? Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. You want to, Billy?
Hmm?
Check out surfers with me? Let's go. Come on.
To get some numbers.
So peaceful. I hope I don't drop this camera, you guys.
Josh?
Is that someone's line?
Nice camera.
No, that's just a weight.
No, right?
Or a feather.
Oh, wait, then everything to the bottom.
No, it was a feather. And a bobber.
Oh,
Where'd they go?
Nico's not cold, huh, Nico? Nico knows no weakness. You know what cold is?
No, cold is I was born in Antarctica.
So you're black, right?
My mom was a penguin, my dad was a walrus.
That explains a lot.
what are you called?
Peng walrus.
Penguin.
Penguin.
A walguin?
Oh man, that's a lovely smell.
Looking out, fishing 101.
Ooh. Right, quick hand. Are you gonna demonstrate how we do things?
This is. You got this? Did your Uncle Rod let you borrow one of his? Yeah, he gave us hooks and weights. Okay, good.
Ooh, wow, you got 5 hooks on that thing, quick hand. That's cool.
Yeah. You catch 5
You
fish.
got a
at
butt fade too, Nico?
Give a puppy to go.
I have a butt fade. Look.
What? Bug what? Sounds like gonna catch
Is that a junior pole?
99. Dude, my pole last time when I was catching a fish, it broke.
Oh, the,
You know what I mean? Just like that.
What?
Our things broke while we were catching a fish. We're like, cracking it.
yo.
See, this is good makeshift thing. Right.
Test it out.
What's up?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Welcome.
Welcome, Didi Mao.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hola. What else do I know? That's all I know. All the languages I know.
Wait.
Wait. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao.
See, why is it so wide angle though? Like, my face is super close when I try to do this.
And then you see a giant sea monster pop in the back.
Santa Cruz.
The fog.
We should make one. Which
And
one?
Oh,
What are you gonna use?
we're gonna eat now?
we didn't catch anything yet.
You just cut it into pieces.
What is that? I know.
Bird poop.
Is that shrimp?
Yeah. Bird poop.
What's that for, quick hand? Is that a cutting board?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, it's a seal.
Oh, snap.
There's one right there too. I think.
Isn't that bad for catching fish?
Yeah. It's good, man. It's fun catching those.
Let's try to catch a seal.
there's fish around.
Okay, whoever doesn't catch a seal has to buy clam chowder for everyone.
Where's my cord? Whatever line.
This is our bait.
That's the wrong language, sorry. That's
Sorry, that's southern accent.
Southern
That's southern seal accent, my bad.
Southern seal.
I don't know the sound. We call them sea cats.
I could do monkey.
I thought they're called sea dogs.
They're called sea cow.
Seal! Moo!
Moo.
That's a good cow.
That was a really good cow.
I think I can do monkey pretty good well.
Savannah. That was legit, Jay. That was legit.
It's a monkey.
Practice
pretty
that
good,
one.
Jay.
Oh, catch that guy, catch that guy.
Hey, can I borrow your...
What? A walrus is
Catch
tip him
him.
over.
Someone tried to catch him.
Dude, have you ever...
Whoever catches a human gets free clam chowder.
He gets
안녕하세요.
double. It's double clam chowder. Is that lighthouse?
Yeah. Oh no, from the yelling at us.
Looks like you're struggling.
You know, it's like you're struggling out there. That's how it is in life. Ooh, he's hot.
Back workout, dude.
I have a thing
Man,
for
that's some crazy surf.
I have a thing for bald man.
Right there.
So Quiken's gonna demonstrate how to cast sideways.
Oh,
Yeah,
that...
because this is.
Oh man. I think I wasn't over there.
That's what I was scared of too.
Whoa, it's long.
How did you do that?
Oh, it's gonna sink.
It's too heavy.
So how do you know when you have a fish, Quiken?
When you felt something talking like this.
I can't even see it on the camera. What kind of HD this one? What is it?
That's it.
No.
That's it.
Wait, okay, this is the game now. Try to find it.
Oh, it's biting.
Oh, there it is. There it is. I found it.
See? Oh!
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 How come you're so good, Quiken?
Fish!
What?
Oh, we got fish. There.
Oh!
Look.
No,
Oh,
wait,
he's
wait,
pulling.
wait, there's gonna be more. There's gonna be more.
Quiken's so excited.
Okay, come on. How about us? This
Something
thing
was
was
pulling.
like 5 seconds and it's already got a fish. No, it's a small one. Karen, we're taking it.
What if it was a
Right there,
seal?
right there.
Hey, and
There's a
then all the
bigger
fishes
one.
that you catch, you gotta go, even how small it is, you gotta go like this and take a
Ooh.
picture. Then you
I'll
drop it.
wait till he starts casting. I'm gonna say battery.